relay switch. So first you take your head cover off. Second, you locate the 4 bolts on the back of the motor. Third, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a, what's this, 8mm wrench. So you'll want the wrench on the back side of the nut, holding it tight while you unscrew the bolt. And there's 4 bolts. Careful not to lose your nut. This one is the hardest because it's down here by the gear. Always be sure your machine is unplugged before you do any maintenance. And once you've removed the 4th bolt, you want to pop the plate off, and sometimes it's hard to get off, so you may need a flathead screwdriver to help get it off. And then we have 4 screws to remove. And you'll want your small Phillips head screwdriver. Remove these 4 screws. And this is the relay switch that needs to be replaced because it's burnt. See how it's not making connection there? So discard your old switch and replace it with a new switch. Put it back on the same way you took it off, those 4 screws, and you'll be good to go.